Alright, let's get real for a second. Do you actually need to be a coding wizard to land a job in tech? Or is that just another internet myth? Well, the answer might actually surprise you. Let's break it down. You see, the tech industry is massive. And yeah, some roles practically require you to dream and code. I'm talking software engineers, back-end developers, and those full-stack folks. If you're aiming for these jobs, you'll want to be comfortable with at least one language like Python or JavaScript and know how to write, debug, and structure projects. But honestly, you don't need to be an expert on day one. What matters is that you're willing to learn, and you're not afraid to Google your way through a bug or two. Trust me, that's part of the job. But what if you're eyeing something a little different? Maybe product management, data analysis, DevOps, or even UX design. Here's the secret. You don't always need hardcore coding chops. Product managers, for example, benefit from understanding how code works, being able to read or talk about it. But you probably won't be expected to build features from scratch. For data analysts, some roles just need you to know basic SQL or how to use Python libraries, not write full-on applications. UX designers? It's more about understanding how your designs get built, so you can collaborate with developers. So, how do you actually figure out where you stand? Easy. Take a look at job postings for your dream roles. Do they ask for specific languages or just familiarity with code? Try a few coding challenges. See how you feel. If you can read through code and sort of get what's happening, that's already a great start. Now, here's how I'd approach leveling up. If you want to go deep, pick one language and stick with it. Python is a classic. If you're more about the basics, learn how to read code, understand logic, and maybe tweak things here and there. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know enough for the job you want. Bottom line, don't let the myth that everyone in tech must be a coding genius hold you back. The industry needs all kinds of people. Problem solvers, communicators, designers, analysts. Your unique combo of skills could be exactly what someone's looking for. If you want the full breakdown, I've linked a blog post down below. Smash that like button, subscribe for more myth-busting tech tips, and let me know in the comments what your dream tech job is.